for cricket, chirp, chirp, chirp. Jumping in the grass, making it zip, with long legs and wings that sing. Crickets teach us to hop and spring. Let's write the letter C, join the fun. Let's learn the alphabet with everyone. Capital C, with a curve so wide. Lowercase c is tiny and to the side. C is for cricket, chirp, chirp, chirp. Learning letters with a happy leap. The cricket hops with a leap so light, chirping its song so bright. With its tiny wings and legs so long, crickets teach us to sing our song. The letter C is in your ABCs. Let's sing it together. 1, 2, 3. Capital C, with a curve so wide. Lowercase c is tiny and to the side. C is for cricket, chirp, chirp, chirp. Learning letters with a happy leap. Crickets jump where the grass is tall. Let's write the letter C, one and all. Write it down, it's easy to see. The letter C is next in our ABCs. Capital C, with a curve so wide. Lowercase c is tiny and to the side. C is for cricket, chirp, chirp, chirp. Learning letters with a happy leap.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.